উচিত শিক্ষা দেবার ক্ষমতা রাখে ভারতের সামরিক বাহিনী।
Brigadier Rajkumar Singh, Deputy General Officer, Constructional Appointment. Basic role, a recipient of General Officer Commanding in Chief Northern Command's Commendation Card. Presently, he is the Deputy General Officer Commanding of Bengal, Sub-Area and Station Commander Kolkata Military Station. A multi-barrel rocket system of 1880 rocket pods in each launcher with capacity to fire 12 rockets in one salvo in 44 seconds. Maximum range regiment is recipient of 6 orbital rocket for regiment led by Naib Subedar Mohammad Khurshid Ansari. Russian origin, long range, highly mobile, rapid fire, surface to surface, free flight rocket system. This system is mounted on Tatra chassis, can fire up to a range of 90 kilometers, thus can deliver massive volume of fire led by Naib Sardar Durgeshwari Shahi. State-of-the-art gun system can fire various types of ammunition up to a range of approximately 30 kilometers. These guns can be held if the commander is Naib Sardar Durgeshwari Shahi Yadav of 26 Attack Regiment. These guns can fire 300 rounds in a minute at a range of 3.5 kilometers. The guns can move 360 degrees. Guns the infantry, the queen of battle, marching contingent of 7th Battalion of the 5th Gurkha Rifle, Frontier Force, led by Lieutenant Colonel Dilip Singh Kangara, one of the oldest infantry battalion of our army.
প্রতি পদে পদে মেনে চলতে হয়। সম্মিলিত মিলিটারি ব্রাস ব্যান্ড আমাদের সামনে রয়েছে আসাম রেজিমেন্টাল সেন্টার এবং 13 গ্রেনেডিয়ার্স কদম কদম বঢ়ায় যার সুরে।
Combined brass band of the Assam Regimental
Captain Mohit Tanwar,
contingent of 59 Artillery Brigade led by Captain Mohit Tanwar. Artillery plays a very important role in all operations of war. Without the
সাইক্লোনকে বিরুদ্ধে অন্য ভারতের নৌবাহিনী নেতৃত্বে লেফটেন্যান্ট করণ সিং তলওয়ার,
Lieutenant Colonel Sri Talwar is leading the contingent of the Indian Navy. First time in Kolkata, a lady officer is leading the naval contingent. The contingent comprises Subedar Jagdeep Singh, Naib Subedar Dipender Rana and Havaldar Chetan Thakure are leading the combined pipes and drums of 2nd Battalion of the Sikh Regiment and third with glory. Police, led by Sergeant Guru Jyoti Roy. They are well trained and can swing into action in short span of time for relief and rescue of emotions, for example, earthquake, flood, and serious fire problems.
নিরুপদ্রব শান্তিপূর্ণ জীবন আমরা সবাই কামনা করি, কিন্তু হঠাৎ কখনো প্রাকৃতিক দুর্যোগ বা অন্য কোনো
Roshan Thapa, Naib Subedar Vinod Guru, and Naib Subedar Mohammad Mujibur
অস্ত্রশস্ত্রে বিশেষভাবে প্রশিক্ষণ পাওয়া র্যাপিড অ্যাকশন ফোর্সের সদস্যরা কলকাতা পুলিশের গর্ব।
Shakti of our state. Here comes the contingent of West Bengal Police already rapid action force, led by additional SP General Balashaw. Srimati Sparsh Nirangi, IPS. These ladies are Sub-Inspector Guru and Assistant Sub-Inspector Vikas Kumar Dey are leading fleeing Kadam Kadam Balaja. Special armed police contingent led by Inspector Nanda Bahadur Haji. This contingent from Bihar is part of its change program of which
Save,